हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज सुमित कुमार एंड एज आई नो कल का एग्जाम आपका बहुत अच्छा गया होगा। इवेंट अगर आप सेटिस्फाइड नहीं होंगे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, एक एक्सपीरियंस तो मिला। देयर इज वन प्रोवर्ब, नहीं करने से अच्छा है करके पछताना। एटलीस्ट यू विल गेट एक्सपीरियंस और वो बहुत ही बड़े काम की चीज़ है। सो कल जो भी एग्जाम आपने दिया है अच्छा गया और खराब गया, एटलीस्ट आप उन लोगों से तो बेटर हैं जिसने एग्जाम नहीं दिया। सो इट्स गुड थिंग कि आपने कल एग्जाम दिया एंड आपको पता चला कि मुझे किस तरह की मेहनत करनी है और क्या करना है नहीं करना है। मतलब इतना जरूर है कि भैया इतने से नहीं होगा, इससे ज़्यादा करना पड़ेगा, राइट? सो think about it and work hard on that, okay? And what I'm going to do is, actually yesterday I have already uploaded the answer key of all CSR net question booklet A, B, C. You can go to my Facebook page, you will get there, and in the website also you will get that, okay? So in PDF format I have uploaded, go through it, enjoy it, okay? And if there is a correction needed, please let me know, okay? I am not a machine that I can do everything perfectly. We are humans. We used to make mistakes, right? And it's our rights to do mistakes so that we should learn from them. So if there is some error, please let me know so that I can correct myself and I'll make you happy while doing mathematics, right? So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to solve all booklets code A, B, C, pure section parts and according to their levels. And for example, look, I have written everything. Code A, code B, code C, and code A ka this is the question 25, or code B ka this is the question number 22, and this is the question number 21 in code C. So like that I'll say, so that everyone should be happy and they will feel good. And why this question I have picked is, this is a very interesting question. This is related to very fundamental concepts in mathematics, that's called prime factorization. If you know this kind of stuffs we have learned from 6th standard, 7th standard and all, and still we are not able to answer. This is the question where most of the students felt very difficult, and this is the, let me tell you, be honest, this is the easiest one question in this net paper. Try to understand. Look, I will tell you why this was very easy. Look at this question. What the question is? Question is A equal to all those natural number, A में all those natural numbers such that natural number is either 1 or only prime factors of n are 2 and 3, right? Then look at this sum 1 by n where n is running over A. Then what you can say about this set A? A is finite, and what you can say about this sum S? Is this the divergent series or finite? So how one can approach this kind of questions? How one can think about this kind of questions? What will be our approach to go through this kind of questions, right? So let's try to understand how to think. That's always important. Remember, solving problem is never important. What is our approach? That's really important, right? Okay. So let me recall a basic fact. What is the basic fact? Let me recall that basic fact. Basic fact is every natural number greater than 1 is either a prime or a product of primes, right? This is the theory. Any natural number you give me, either a prime or product of prime, if that natural number is greater than 1. That's a fundamental theorem of arithmetic. That's not my theorem. This is fundamental theorem of arithmetic, right? So this is the theorem. This is the only fact I am going to use here. So here, by the given condition, n belongs to A, if and only if n is equal to 2 to the power n1 and 3 to the power n2. Why this? I'll just leave the next exercise. Please think about it. Why this is true? And what is the condition over n1 and n2? n1 and n2 belongs to natural number or 0. If both are 0, then you are getting 1. If both are not 0, then you get either factor 2 or 3 or mixed of 2 and 3. That's what. This is the only fact, right? And now recall this one. If this series converges, that implies this series also converges, and you can write this sum as this. This is called the Cauchy product, right? This is called the Cauchy product. So recall this. Using this, so use this result here. Now, what is this they're asking? Summation of n belongs to a. So this is same as, go through the basics. 2 to the power n1, 3 to the power n2, and n1 and n2, both starting from 0 to infinity, right? Now, use this fact, 1 by 2 n1, 1 by 2 n1 is convergent as a geometric series, 1 by 3 n2, that series, again geometric series that converges, common ratio is 1. So I can split this, 2 to the power n1 and 1, 3 to the power n2, right? Split like this. Now, what you are getting here is, you will get 1 minus this is geometric series, and this is the first term as this, and common ratio is this. Easily you can get this answer, and the answer is 3. 2 gets cancelled, the answer is 3. So answer is 3. And this is false, divergent is false, this is false, and A is, what about A? A is finite or infinite? See, how many numbers are of this form? A is infinite, so this is also false. So solving problem is never important. I never say to my student, just be machine. We are not machines, we are humans. Even when it will take time, 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, doesn't matter, but at least we should try. Not in rush, this is the input, this is the output. No, don't do this. This is not the way to do mathematics. Mathematics is something different. It's amazing subject. It's a subject which keep motivating you to learn. Why? Look at this. Look at these questions. See, most of the student has given this answer. As is a divergence says. Most of the students has given this answer. Once I uploaded, actually this question the solution I uploaded earlier yesterday at 5 o'clock. When I saw that question around 5:30, I uploaded this. This is one of the best questions I saw this in NET paper. One of the best questions. There are a few questions in NET question that are very good. This is one of the questions. That's what I'm saying. Focus on your fundamentals. Focus on your basics. Where you feel difficulty. Work on that. Don't be in rush to just solve the problems. Try to understand what the problem exactly says. And go through it. Everyone knows this. Every number, natural number is either a prime or written as a product of prime. Everyone knows that. You can ask to anyone. They will know. But they don't know how here numbers look like. They are not able to write. Even though they are able to write, they can't do this. That's what I'm saying. Focus on basic parts. That's why my Noble Forum is different from others. You will not get this flavor in somewhere else. I guarantee. So, basics on this, focus on this, go through it and just enjoy mathematics, right? And one more thing, answer key I have uploaded, go through it and check your pure sections, and I hope you will get a smile. And yes, subscribe my YouTube channel also, so then in long run you will get more notification about mathematics and all, and like my Facebook page so that you will be happy and stay connected. Okay, thank you for that.